Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wisdom of Hafiz. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly, probably not. This is an oracle deck with poetic renderings by Daniel Landinsky, art by Silas Toball, and oracle by Angi Sullins. So first of all, huge shout out and thanks to US Game Systems for sending me this deck. That was quite the surprise and very, very thoughtful of you. I'm so appreciative. So this is obviously published by US Game Systems. What a beautiful package. It reminds me of those little thank you note cards that you get in the this type of packaging. It's beautifully done, looks fantastic for spring. And this retails for $23.95, and down in the description box below, I will link everywhere where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And while you're there down in the description box, I do have a link tree that will give you all of the links to my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, so let's get into this. The Wisdom of Hafiz Oracle deck. So Hafiz invites you to remember the ancient wisdom that lives within your soul. Whether you seek guidance, support, inspiration, or a new perspective, the spirit of the Sufi poet encourages you to look inward. The 45-card deck and illustrated 104-page guidebook are friends to all humans on the vulnerable journey toward wholeness. A wise sage once said of humanity, "We're all just walking each other home." May this deck be your walking companion. Oh, how sweet. Okay, I'm really excited. If you know me for a while, you know I love my hummingbirds, so I'm really excited. This is just the cutest packaging. Cute. So pretty. Reminds me of like an English garden. I want tea now and a biscuit. All right. So here's the guidebook. It's actually pretty thick. Oh, and it's color printed. Okay, let's just read about Hafiz real fast, whose given name was Shamsuddin Muhammad. I probably terribly mispronounced that. I do apologize. Is the most beloved poet of Persians. He was born and lived in Shiraz, a beautiful garden city where he became a famous spiritual teacher. His divan, or collected poems, is a classic in literature of Sufism and mystical verse. The work of Hafiz became known to the West largely through the passion of Goethe. His enthusiasm deeply affected Ralph Waldo Emerson, who then translated Hafiz in the 19th century. Emerson said, "Hafiz is a poet for poets," to which Goethe remarked, "Hafiz has no peer." Hafiz's poems were also admired by such diverse notables as Nietzsche and Arthur Conan Doyle, whose wonderful character Sherlock Holmes quotes Hafiz. All right, so I just want to see real fast if there's any pertinent information that we need to know. The Fal-e-Hafiz is an ancient tradition in which a person asks Hafiz via his verse for advice about any important juncture in their life. I feel it is very important to say that in using this deck, please remember, Hafiz is all about safeguarding and empowering you. If you draw a card that you feel is in any way inappropriate, I suggest you follow Hafiz's advice in a famous poem of his titled Perfect Equanimity, as it appears in my book, The Gift Poems of Hafiz. That playful, but to me so right on poem of wisdom goes paraphrased, "If I ever put too much food on your plate or not enough, I was just kidding. In other words, draw another card." Oh, I love that. All right. The deck was created as a fresh spin on the traditional oracle. Using Silas's art as a muse, the messages were created solely on the energy of the symbols. These themes were then sent to Mr. Landinsky, who paired them with inspired poetic renderings based on his study of Hafiz. His renderings are presented in italics in this guidebook. This project seeks to create messages that are timeless and applicable to all humans on the vulnerable journey toward wholeness. What distinguishes us as humans is our capacity to seek out the soul's directive. As a wise sage once said, "What unites us is bigger than what divides us." We're all just walking each other home. May this deck be your walking companion. So a note on using the deck. As with all other Oracle encounters, this is an exercise in trust. Trust yourself. Trust your inner guidance. We suggest that, having pulled a card, you allow yourself to respond to the art and symbols first. What does the figure, color palette, and symbols say to you? The theme and message of this card, along with the poetic offerings from Mr. Landinsky, are there as gentle guiding voice, but no voice trumps your own deep knowing. Angi Sullins. All right, so then it goes into each of the cards. I'm just checking to see if there's any spreads. So we have about, so no spreads. All right, not to worry. Let's get into it. Ooh, we have gold foiling. Love it. Look at that back. That is so pretty. Oh my. All right. And it's about the size of like a smaller tarot card. A little bit wider than a tarot card maybe. But it's a good size. I like it. It fits in my hand well. Beautiful. It is a gloss. Let's check out the cardstock. Ooh, okay. I think this is going to be nice to shuffle with. It snaps back. It's on the thinner side, but it's not like paper thin or anything. And I do like the added gloss with that gold foiling on the side. It's really nice. Ooh. Oh, I love that. I love that the title is on the bottom. They are numbered. Cute. I'm excited to see the guidebook a little more in depth. Ooh. This is beautiful. It's very upfront, but in a way that's gentle. Direct, I should say. I love the color. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm laughing because these clouds remind me of how the clouds are illustrated in Hercules, in the Disney movie. It always goes back to Disney. I'm so sorry. It's so beautiful. Oh, do you see all those little guys? Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh, I love that. Dream wide awake. Oh, more peacocks. Befriend pleasure. Ooh. That's pretty. I feel like this would be a very good all-around everyday deck. Daily pool. Help you with confirmations. Give you something to meditate on during the day. I love that. Oh my goodness. Stunning imagery. Beautifully done. Sweet. So much detail. Oh, cute. And the last card. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. I'm excited about this one. Ooh, not an issue. Even flipping through, they didn't stick together with that coating, so that was nice. But just be gentle with your first time going through the deck, just because sometimes the foil, the way that it's manufactured, they like to stick together. So just be careful and slowly peel them apart. So we're going to read for this one, but let's just continue shuffling. I really like how it shuffles. The cards really like to jump out of this one. This is nice. All right. See? All right. So this is the one that we're going to read for, the little birdies. So take stock in your achievements. All right. Take stock of your achievements. The stars are our trophies and the planets too. Now you just need to realize the astounding achievement of just being who you ever are. Now is the time to do a fair and complete inventory of your achievements. Do not pause at your failures, disappointments, or incompletions. Instead, walk around your day in your successes. You have survived 100% of your traumas and all that life has thrown at you. You are a walking, talking, breathing miracle. You have a radiant heart, a sharp mind, and a willing spirit. Your creativity has been expressed in 1,000 decisions that got you where you are today. It wasn't easy to arrive here at this point in life, but you did it. Be proud. Embody the beauty and grace that got you here. It's yours. Oh my gosh, I love this. How gentle, how beautiful, what wonderful advice. I really enjoy this. This might be something that I use quite often. So this is beautiful. So I do apologize if I mispronounced anything. Most of you know how horrible I am with all of that. So, I mean, no disrespect, but this is absolutely a stunning deck. It is beautiful. I am really excited about it. I'm excited to start getting to work with it in depth. So I am now going to throw it back to you. What do you think of this deck? Is it something that you are excited about? Is it something that you haven't on your wish list? Or is this something that you haven't heard about until today? Please let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below, as I do enjoy seeing them. And thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this my way. I was super shocked and I'm still in awe, so thank you so much for that. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much to everyone. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.